Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. I am Christine, and today I have my very first Walmart beauty box. Now, this is $6.98 with tax in my state. It comes out to a total of $7.39. You can't beat that. Now, this is a quarterly box, so you get it 4 times a year, or usually around Christmas. I just got the fall box, and then you'll get one in spring and then another one in summer. So let's see what I got inside here. Now, they usually send samples, deluxe samples, and every once in a while you'll get a full size, depending on what the product is. Now, in all these products inside the box, you can find at the store, Walmart, or Walmart.com if you're shopping online. Okay, so here's a peek. Now, I was surprised that I got a fall box because I just signed up for it after everybody else was getting their fall boxes. But apparently they still had plenty in stock, and they went ahead and sent me one. If you would like one, I'll go ahead and link it down below for you. So the first thing I am pulling out is a Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Sugar Crush Miracle Complexion Sponge. Soft, flexible foam covers evenly for a flawless finish. Use it damp or dry with liquid, cream, or powder foundations and BB and CC creams. Very nice. Can always use a good beauty blender. Okay, what else? Oh, I see a card down here. Let's see if the card is gonna... Here's your card. It tells you everything that you may receive in your box. You're not going to get them all. So this sponge retails for $4.88. It evenly blends your foundation, blurring fine lines and imperfections for a radiant, streak-free finish. The sponges will vary, so you might get different colors. This one is pink, and it has just a few sparkles in there. Yeah, I think you can see those sparkles. I hope those sparkles don't come off on your skin. I mean, maybe when I was 12 that was okay, but not anymore for me anyway. Okay, now the next thing are these Listerine Ready tabs. Chew to transform from a solid to liquid in seconds. There's 8 tablets, 0 alcohol, sugar-free, whole mouth clean, feeling on the go. Chew, swish, and swallow, and that's what they look like, just these little tabs. Now, I have seen some ladies try this on camera, and they are very strong. So if you pop them in your purse, put them in your car, because when you go out to lunch and you have that garlic dish, this will neutralize that. Let's see what it says about this. Okay, so full size is 24 tabs, and I have 8. Full size is $5.97. And that's all it says about that. Next, I have a Wild Primrose by Conair. It's a detangle and style comb. Tackle wild tangles like a pro. Get smooth results, big enough to handle any hair length or texture. Large handle makes combing comfortable. Smooth, widely spaced teeth reach right up to the scalp to gently detangle wet or dry hair. It's an ideal styler for thick, coarse, or extra curly hair. It is a 7.5-inch comb. I remember in school, middle school, high school, we used to put these in our back pockets and the handles were sticking out. I mean, that was the thing. So that brings back that memory. This retails for anywhere from $4.97 all the way up to $7.97. Add a cute twist to your daily look with comfy, trend-forward accents from Wild Primrose by Scunci. Is this a Scunci brand? I thought it was Conair. So they might have a typo there. Walmart's exclusive hair accessory line. It says Scunci a couple of times. Scunci. Scunci. And I don't see the word on here anywhere. I see the word Conair. So we have that. Next, I am pulling out, it looks like a lippy from All May. This is Lip Vibes. All May Lip Vibes. This is a full size, and it is $7.99. And that's all it says about it. Almay Lip Vibes lipstick. Colors will vary. So let's break into this. Where's the perforation? These are always fun, aren't they? Ooh, let's see if I can give you some. Oh yeah. That was a good one. It comes in this, I would have to say, like paper or cardboard tube. The inside is plastic, though. Ooh, that is a very light color. I don't know if I want to swatch that. It's orangey looking. So it does look like the swatch down here, but I'm not going to swatch that. Maybe my daughter would like that, or I might put it in a giveaway. I am approaching 100 subscribers, and I'm thinking of doing a 100 subscriber giveaway, and things like this that won't work out for my skin color might work out for yours or some of your friends or family. So that might go in there. Next, I am pulling out Burts Bees Facial Cleanser. It is for sensitive skin with cotton extract. It is accepted by the National Eczema Association. It is 98.9% natural. What does it say about this? This is 1 ounce. A full size is 6 ounces, and it retails for $8.34. It's infused with soothing cotton extract. This creamy, soap-free formula hydrates skin while gently cleansing away dirt, oil, and makeup without causing redness or irritation. I'm always looking for a good cleanser. I do use the Acne Free brand just for prevention purposes, not to remove makeup, but I'm always looking for a good cleanser that'll take care of my skin and remove makeup, because I hear that using wipes is bad. I don't know. I don't mind it. Now the last thing I have in my box is from number 7. It is an advanced retinol 1.5% complex. It's the night concentrate. It's skin transforming accelerator. Let's say the same thing. Now this is 3 ml, and a full size is 1 fluid ounce, and it retails for $34.98. Kickstarts surface skin renewal from the first application, working night after night to deliver visibly stronger looking skin. Lines look smoother, skin tone looks even, skin appears firm and lifted, skin appears brighter and more radiant, pores and texture look refined. To me, this sounds like a miracle. I definitely will be trying this out. So that is everything that I got in my Walmart box. The Retinol Complex, a nice detangle comb for my long locks, some Listerine tabs, some facial cleanser, a lippy, and a beauty blender. I thought it was worth it. Definitely worth it. I mean, this is $5 and I paid $7.39 for the whole box and I got all this stuff. Yes. Yes, please. Now, I did get another bag from Amazon. This is my tea subscription. Some of you have heard me already talk about this. This is Taylor's of Harrogate. It is a really nice tea company from the UK. And if anybody knows tea, I think they do. And I get this on Subscribe and Save. So I'm sure when you've been shopping, you have seen Subscribe and Save. It is a wonderful option if you know that you're going to get something time after time. Now, this normally is $5.48, but because I keep ordering every 2 weeks automatically, it's now like $4.86 every 2 weeks for me. And I drink quite a bit of tea, can't do coffee anymore. My tummy doesn't like it very much. But this I can do. So I just wanted to share that feature with you from Amazon, the Subscribe and Save. Definitely take advantage of that and save yourself some cash. So on that note, I'm really glad that you stopped by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.